Probably wondering why I got such a big smile, right? Are you wondering that? I'll tell you exactly why I got a big smile. Check this out. Check this out. Look at that view. I got the ships. I can see the ships in there. I can see the ponds in there. I can see all these buildings way over there. I can see the ones over here as well. We got all kinds of cool stuff in here. Check that out. And I'm going to show you what it looks like up here too. You can even see Gia Hill up here and more. So yeah, let's check it all out. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. The only thing we need to decide now is what are we going to call this video. Usually I do streets, right? I can't, this is not really a street. It's a view. Beautiful view. Got over the top of the parking garage. This right here is Pond 16, and that's a lot of tourists go there. It's kind of a hotel as well. And they got a MJ bar, Michael Jackson bar, Pond 21, so there's other stuff here. And actually this one looks, I thought originally, I was like, wow, this is the coolest spot. I can just walk down it. Looks like we got the ponds right here, so we can't actually get a great view, but we can get some kind of view. But the ones around here are super cool. We're gonna go like this, come over to this side first. Yeah, this is the ramp I just came up. But yeah, the views up here. That's one thing that's really kind of cool about Macau is there's a lot of density, so things go up like this. And now you can see what it looks like on this side as well. Yeah, pretty cool. So you can see all the restaurants down below, and then all the buildings all the way across. And actually you can see some kind of interesting stuff like that. That particular building has a top like that. I don't know what the name of that is, but they look something that you might see in like Holland or something like that, but completely different at the same time. More cars are coming up. Yeah, check out all this skyline up here. I'm just gonna try to come in from different angles and just kind of see what we all got around here. Public bathroom right there. Oh, that's all the side streets that people are coming in off. Oh, that's the Caravel Hotel right there. So that hotel is really narrow. It doesn't look narrow from this angle, but it is. It's almost like it's like a drone shot. So we're actually going to go down this way a little bit and just kind of see different angles. I think we might actually go all the way down because I think we can see some of the waterfront down that way. There's also some cars parking in here as well at the same time, so different angles. And then over there, that side over there is Zhuhai side. So it's all Zhuhai, China. You get a pretty good view of it on this side now. So we're just gonna walk down our parking lot a little bit, and we'll just go over the sides a little bit. 122. So you can see some people working right over there, down there. Oh, right there's a Thai restaurant right there, so that one has a nice view of the waterfront. We're just gonna slowly, we're basically gonna go back and forth a little bit. Oh, okay, good. This is what I wanted. So now I can see the shipyard area. Yeah, it's kind of cool. We got all those ships right there, but you can't really see them from most places. 122 right there. Then of course you got rooftops. Yeah, check that building out. somebody's got some rooftops up there. I guess I should have stayed over on this side because the other side has all the ponds, but those are like the docks. So cool. Wow, somebody has a rooftop right there. So we're gonna head over there and get some views on that side as well. What do I call this? Very cool. Oh, you see that right there? So there's a thing right there. That's like the replica of the James Bond movie. And I think that's all Green Island right there, which is part of Macau. And it's kind of more like used to be like a cement factory up there. Oh, that's part of Green Island over there. You can see the hill. And then I think that might be some reclaimed land around it. And it's like kind of industrial a little bit. Wow, you can see this street right here now very clearly. That one is named after an Italian guy who has basically a Portuguese guy with an Italian name. Check out that rooftop. Wow. Okay. Do I take you to the best places or what? Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la